Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to channel for everything beauty, skincare, and beyond. Today, we're diving into a product that's both practical and pampering. Burt's Bees, back-to-school gift ideas, everyday essentials set. Whether you're gearing up for college, heading back to work, or simply looking for an all-natural skincare boost, this set has got you covered from head to toe. Let's explore whether this set lives up to its buzz. So, what's inside? This set contains 5 of Burt's Bees' iconic travel-sized products: soap bark and chamomile deep cleansing cream, hand salve, milk and honey body lotion, coconut foot cream, and the fan-favorite beeswax lip balm. Burt's Bees is known for using natural ingredients, and these products are no exception. If you're looking for clean, nourishing skincare that you can easily pack into your dorm room essentials, this set is a fantastic place to start. From my experience, setting up this kit couldn't be simpler. The products are compact, lightweight, and ready to go wherever you need them. Each item feels purposeful, whether it's the lip balm to keep your lips hydrated during a long lecture or the coconut foot cream to relax after a tiring day. The packaging is travel-friendly, which is a huge win if you're someone who's always on the go. Now let's talk performance. Burt's Bees did an excellent job in ensuring these products work as promised. The soap bark and chamomile deep cleansing cream provides a refreshing, tingly clean that wakes you up in the morning. The milk and honey body lotion is a standout for its rich, hydrating feel without being greasy, perfect for dry skin. The hand salve and coconut foot cream are thicker in texture, making them ideal for restoring moisture to cracked hands and feet, especially during those harsh winter months. And of course, their famous beeswax lip balm, a must-have for soft, healthy lips, lives up to its reputation. Let's get into the pros and cons. The pros: all natural ingredients, travel-friendly sizes, and the variety of products to target different areas: face, body, hands, and feet. It's a versatile kit perfect for everyday use. The cons: some might find the texture of the hand salve and foot cream a bit too greasy, so if you prefer lighter products, those may not be your favorite. Also, for those who like fragrant products, this set is more on the mild side. Comparing this to other sets, it stands out because of Burt's Bees' commitment to clean and environmentally conscious ingredients. While there are cheaper alternatives on the market, many of them use synthetic ingredients or lack the same level of hydration. For example, some sets might skip natural ingredients, opting for quick fixes. Burt's Bees ensures that your skin is nourished deeply, making it a fantastic option if you prioritize natural skincare. As for value for money, at around $20, this set is reasonably priced for what it offers. You're getting 5 essential products, all made with care and designed to last a while. The quality of these products, from the beeswax lip balm to the coconut foot cream, speaks to the longevity of Burt's Bees in the skincare industry. When it comes to build quality, you can feel confident that each item is well formulated and durable. These aren't flimsy little throwaway trial sizes. They feel substantial, and you know you're getting high-quality skincare. User-friendliness is another big win here. Everything is straightforward to use, and I didn't experience any difficulties with application. Whether you're an experienced skincare user or a college student just starting to develop a routine, these products are intuitive and effective. Now, a quick call to action. If you're enjoying this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on future reviews. We've got more great products coming your way. To wrap things up, who is this for? Well, if you're a student, a busy professional, or someone who just loves natural skincare, this set is a great fit. It's perfect for someone looking for an affordable, yet effective solution for their everyday skincare needs. While it may not be the most luxurious option out there, it provides reliable results at a great price point. And finally, for long-term use, these products are definitely dependable, especially the lip balm, which I find myself reaching for over and over again. Thanks for watching. If you want to get your hands on this Burt's Bees set, you can find the link in the description below. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments or share your thoughts if you've tried these products already.